First of all, many corporations operate on only a 2 or 3% profit margin. They can't afford that. It's not a 7% increase. It's a 33% increase. See, if a corporation on $1 million of profit was paying at 21% tax, $210,000 in tax, and now at 28% they have to pay $280,000 in tax. That's $70,000 more. $70,000 is 33% more money than $210,000 because that extra $70,000 on top of $210,000 is a 33% increase in money they have to shell out. And a lot of politicians don't understand this. They just go, well, corporations can afford it. No, they can't. So what do corporations do? They lay off people. They change to automation. They raise the prices of goods and services so they can make ends meet. And then everybody goes, well, how come we have inflation? How come prices are going up? Because so many politicians do not understand basic economics, okay? What I'm saying is, you may want to take advantage of the lowest tax bracket you will likely ever be in. Now, I don't care what bracket you're in. I'm just using a point here. Because tax rates will go up dramatically at the end of 2025 if Congress does nothing. So people say, well, Doug, again, if I don't need the money, why should I get it out and pay tax? Well, you want to pay tax at today's lower rate and while account values are lower, because if you're, for every 100,000 you had in your IRA or 401k a year ago, as you're waiting around for it to get back up to that because it's only down to 70,000, you've experienced a 30% drop. So many Americans make the mistake of saying, well, I want to wait till I get back up to where I was. Well, why? You want to wait until the money goes back up to 100 and then pay taxes on a bigger sum of money at higher rates? Get the taxes over and done with while tax rates are lower and account values are lower. And then do what? You don't spend it. You reposition that after-tax money into a portfolio of laser funds that will accumulate tax-free, and you will ride the market back up without having your money at risk in the market. So you want to ride the market back up tax-free, but not worry about what if the market continues to be topsy-turvy and volatile. So if you're going, how do you do this? Well, this is what we teach in these educational events. Is called indexing. Indexing is so incredible that it allows you to accumulate, access, and transfer your money tax-free, but your money is in an instrument that allows you to participate when the market goes up, but not lose when the market goes down, okay? Now, if you had your money in the S&P 500 in the year 2008, you would have lost about 40%. $1 million nest egg would have dropped in value to $600,000. It took 4 years till 2012 to make back what you lost. People who had their money in laser funds didn't lose one dime due to that downturn in 2008. They were cheering, and the first 90 days of 2009, many of them experienced 16% gains, tax-free, after not losing a penny. They had as much as double the amount of money in 2012 than people who had their money in the market. Folks, if this is resonating with you, you need to learn how to do a strategic rollout and not kick yourself for not using the room in your current tax bracket, which is likely the lowest bracket you will ever be in, and getting the taxes over and done with and reposition the money into something that's going to be tax-free from now on and ride the market back up again without having to worry about market downturns in the future, but do it tax-free. Come and learn about how to do a strategic rollout before it's too late. Join us if you live in the greater San Francisco Bay Area. We're coming the third week of January to teach in 5 cities, Retire by Design events. These are free, but seating's limited. We're coming to Morgan Hill, Palo Alto, Walnut Creek, Dublin, and Sacramento. We will be in Morgan Hill at the Coyote Creek Golf Club January 18th. That's a Wednesday in the morning. That afternoon in Palo Alto at the Elks Lodge. The next day, we're in Walnut Creek at the Boundary Oak Golf Course, January 19th in the morning. That afternoon in Dublin at the Ranch Golf Course. The next day, we're in Sacramento at the Granite Bay Golf Club, January 20th, Friday morning. Join us. Call now and register at 1-888-76-RADIO. Register at 1-888-767-2346. That's 1-888-767-2346. 1-888-767-2346. 1-888-76 Radio is three-dimensional wealth radio. Hi, Doug Andrew here. I've been blessed to have many books that I've written become bestsellers, but my most recent book, The Laser Fund, I'm most excited about. I would love for you to have a copy of this book because it teaches how to diversify and create the foundation for a tax-free retirement. I have spent years, in fact, it is over 45 years of experience helping people optimize financial assets, minimize unnecessary tax, and empower their true or authentic wealth. This book is so unique because it's actually two books in one. There's over 200 pages from a left brain approach. If you're the kind of person that loves to learn by reading and getting numbers and charts and graphs, there's over 200 pages of illustrations explaining why the Laser Fund can be the best solution for all kinds of financial objectives, from college funding to retirement to emergency funds, working capital for business or personal or real estate. And if you're more a right-brain person, you aren't really into numbers, you learn by stories, you flip this book over and you read it the other direction. It's over 100 pages that